Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Bring your feet slightly wider than your hips. Engage your core, take a big inhale up. Release it down. Again, inhale. Exhale. Let's go, 2 more. All right, you guys, we have a full body, everyday workout coming at you. Let's roll those shoulders, take them to the back. Just opening up the chest, opening up the spine. We're gonna use a light set of weights today. We're gonna use a mat. Today's workout is pregnancy safe, so if you're expecting, you can do all these movements with me. Just take any modifications you need. 2 more like this. Good, we're gonna take a little press to the right, lift that knee in. Press into that side lunge, lift it up. So your hips are hinging back, and then you squeeze to lift. Pushing into this glute, and then squeezing into your supporting glute. Back, reach front. Back, reach front. Give me 2 more like this. And reach. Last time. You got it. We're gonna hold at the bottom. Take a little pulse down. It's nice and small here. We're reaching the energy out the fingertips, pushing and rooting into this heel here. Zip up your abs. Engage your low core. You have 4. 3. We're gonna go side to side. Take it to the left. Go left, right. We're gonna add some arms here. So reach forward, swim back. Forward, swim back. Just get that heart rate up. Activate through the chest, through the upper back. Maintain your core. We're here for 8. Keep breathing. 4 more. Let's go. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. We're gonna take it to the left side. So we're gonna go back for 2. Slow it down. Lift that knee in. Back for 2. Finding that hip hinge. And then re-stabilizing the core at the top. Good. Add that reach. Back. And front. Push. And press. Good, you got 2 more. Last one here. We're gonna take it to that little pulse. Take it down. Push. Push. Nice and small again. Zip up those cores. Shoulders away from your ears. Give me 8. 6. You got it. Here's 4. 3. Let's go side to side. To the right. Go right. Left. Reach forward. Reach back. Find that same swim. Press and push. For 4. For 3. 2. Good. 1. Come center. Turn out the toes. Take a big breath. Get that heart rate up, y'all. Woo! Opening up in our hips, inner and outer thighs start to engage. 2 more here. You got it. Last one. Grab onto your weights. Keep your feet wide. Toes are turned out. Drop the weights. Palms face your body. We're gonna sink down. We're gonna row at the top. Sink it low. Let's take that a little faster. Go down, row. Down, lift. You got it, y'all. Give me 4. 3. We got 2. We're gonna hold it low. Little pulse. Down, down. You got it. Woo! Inner thighs here. Start to reach those arms out. Bring them down. Now flip your palms to face away from you. You're gonna sink down and then bicep curl at the top. Sink down. Good, let's speed that up. 1 count, go down, curl. Working nice and efficiently. Our upper and lower bodies working together. Down, up. Inhale and exhale. Let's go 4, 3, 2. So good. Hold it low. Pulse. Pulse. Woo! Shoulders are back. Now we add that little reach to the side. That's it. Lower down. Good. Hold it low. Option to lift your heels. Let them just hover here. Shoulders back. Engage your abs. Just an isometric hold. For 4. For 3. Let's go, y'all. Last 2. On 1, stretch the legs, shake it out. Bring your feet right under your hips. Soft bend in your knees, low abs engaged, shoulders back. Start to fly those arms out for 2, down for 2. Lift and lower. Just honing in on our upper body. Keep your breath. Take it out. And in. Lift up. That heart should be pumping. Lots of movement in your first 5 minutes of work. You're halfway there. So good, so good. Lift. And lower. Lift. Good, hold this next at the bottom. We're gonna take a curl, hammer curl, shoulder press. Drop your elbows down. Seek it low. Do that again slow for me. Curl, shoulder press. Take it down. All right, you got it. We're gonna go a little faster. Speed it up. Go curl, press, bend, and drop. Curl, press. Now, if this feels good, stay right here. If you wanna engage through the core a little deeper, we're gonna add a little knee lift. Right knee up, hold it there, and then we switch. Knee. So the knee's lifting from an engagement in your lower abs. Try to find that connection rather than pulling from your hip flexor. Use your core. Exhale. Up. That's it. Exhale. So strong. Let's go here for 2. Give me one more, y'all. Let's go. Last one. Hold this nice and low. Touch that fly. 2 counts. Up for 2. Down for 2. Lift for 2. Lower 2. That's it. That's it. Lift. And drop. We're gonna go 4 more times. Let's go. 4. Press. 3. And drop. Good. 2 more. Last one. Back into that bicep curl. Take it to temple right away. Hammer curl. Up. Press. Down. And drop. Curl. Option to add that knee right away. Here we go. Knee. Push. Drop. Release. Exhale. Up. Yes, let's go in. Almost out of your upper body focus. Stay with me, y'all. Final one right here. Left knee up. Little change coming up. Take your feet wide. We're gonna squat back for 2. Lift up for 2. So turning your toes out slightly here. Feeling that hinge. Think of sending your hips back and up. Sink. And squeeze. Keep it going, y'all. 4 more. 3 more. Here for 2. Trying to fire into those glutes. Hold this tension at the bottom. Reach the waist long. Take it down an inch. Little drop. Little lift. Drop. Little lift. Inhale. Exhale. Root your feet into the ground here. Think of squeezing and zipping up with every little lift. Down an inch, up an inch. Nice and small, nice and sharp. Keeping that hinge over your legs. So that burn in the booty. Down and up. We have 2. Good. Take it to a tiny little pulse at the bottom. Pulse. Pulse. So close, you guys. We're heading to our mats right after this. We're almost out of this work today. Stay with me. Good. Give me 4. 3. Hold this next one low. Little row. Back. And back. Little squeeze. And squeeze. So good. Here for 4. Here for 3. Let's go 2. And on 1, carefully drop your waist down. Take a seat on your mat. We're gonna come down onto the right side of our body. Knees come to a 90-degree bend. Option to take one weight on top of your left thigh. Extend that leg straight, flex to the heel. Pull your abs away from the ground, shoulders back, little lift. Up an inch, down an inch. So we're working our outer glute here, this muscle here, but I also want you to focus in on your core. You're gonna feel a little connection in your oblique on both sides. Take it to a tiny pulse. Just lift, lift. Nice, just short and sweet, you guys. Just feel that connection, feel that burn. Here for 4, 3, just hold it at the top, freeze. Yes. Just 4, 3, 2, on 1. Put that leg down, quickly switch to your second side. We're getting right into it, y'all. No time to waste, legs 90 degrees. Weights that leg, extend the leg, lift it, drop it. Moving and grooving. Taking each moment and getting a little bit stronger. Push that rib cage away from the ground. Feel that core engagement. Take it to a little pulse. Up, up, lift and lift. Squeeze it. You got it, y'all. Finish strong right here. You got 8, 6, almost out of that work. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and freeze. Yes, good. Drop that leg down. We're gonna flip onto our backs. You're gonna take your feet slightly wider than your hips. Toes turn out slightly. Rest your back flat to your mat. Press the palms down, or option to take your weights right onto your hips. We're gonna press up and drop. A little lift, a little lower. Your final bit of work. So give it all you got. Press. Feeling the engagement in the glutes here. I'm with you, y'all. You have 4. We have 3. So good. Here's 2. Hold the next one high. Take a little press out of the legs. Just press. Press. It's small. And notice that your hips are not at their highest point. You're still feeling that engagement in your low abs. Really pushing and rooting those feet into the floor. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Just hold and freeze for 8. Close your eyes, just breathe, let it shake. You're here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put your weights down, carefully drop your hips. Whew. Pull your knees into your chest. Just rock side to side. Feeling your back flat on that ground. Beautiful job, you guys. Grab behind your knees, rock and roll yourself up. We're gonna flip over and find a high plank together. Place your hands under your shoulders. Legs extend, shoulders down. Hips are tucked, low abs tight. Little tap to the knees, a little press. It's okay if they don't go all the way straight here. You just wanna tap, extend, a little bend, a little extend. Just 4. Feeling a hip to rib connection through the abdominal wall. Hold the legs straight, just hold. Last 8. Leave it out. Last 6. Fire into your core and breathe for 2 and 1. Hips up, down dog. Whew, feel the length in your spine. Let those heels just fall to your mat. We're gonna tiptoe our feet in towards the toes, or excuse me, towards the fingertips. Soft bend in your knees, let your head hang heavy. Let's carefully rebuild that spine. 1 vertebrae at a time. Face me, take a big inhale, up. On your exhale, release it all out the sides and give yourself a big round of applause. Hope you guys enjoyed today's workout. If you did, let me know below in those comments. I love to hear from you, and we'll see you back next time.